So, we're gonna try to cook these carrots and make them hot dogs. Let's get to it. Okay, so it says to cut it bun. What size of bun? You can't even see one there. So cut them. Then I need to boil them for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. I'll be back. Well, this will continue. Separate bag. These are my ingredients, which will be on the description. Once my carrots get tender, then I'll pop them out, rinse them, and then put them in the bag. And then from there, we're gonna cook them. But I need to not fry them or grill them. And then they will be ready to eat. We'll see. Something that's exciting but nervous-ing. Hey guys. So this is day 2, because I didn't cook it yesterday. Okay. Had to buy me a new skillet. Cast iron skillet. So these are how my dogs look. And I'm so upset because I completely forgot to get a buns, but it is what it is. When the skillets get hot. Not yet. We'll see. La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. Okay, grill marks. Just keep cooking, just keep cooking, just keep cooking. These grill marks are sexy. So mind you, I had to improvise because it's too cold to go outside to grill anything. So we grill it in the house. In a cast iron skillet. So I'm going to chop up the onion and stuff and get everything ready. And I'm just going to pause you guys. Okay, y'all. Why does it smell like a hot dog? Like legit, like a grilled hot dog. So what I ended up doing, I just had some regular bread. There goes my carrot, aka my hot dog. I probably could have cooked it more. Got me some grill marks. I put onion, barbecue sauce, and I didn't have that much ketchup, so there's a little ketchup and mustard. Let's try it. Now, if I cook it just a little bit longer, that's pretty creepy. Let me try to get this ketchup out of this. I ain't gonna lie. I will make this again. This is pretty good. I just didn't cook mine long enough to make it a little bit tender in the inside. It's tender, but it could be a little bit more tender. It's delicious. Hold on. I'm gonna make one a little bit more tender, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm right back. Put it in the microwave for a couple of seconds. That is insane. And I can only imagine how it would be on a grill. Like, this is in the house. So I know it's not to the standards of what it should be. But it's still the bomb. This is good. This is really good. And it doesn't taste like a carrot. It tastes like a dog. A hot dog from the grill. Minus the grill. So I can only imagine how it tastes on the grill. Cause you know how hot dogs don't taste like hot dogs on your skillet in the house. But they taste completely different and better. Something about the charcoal. Or about that propane. Cause some of you guys like propane. It's the texture. The texture is like a hot dog. Oh my goodness. My mind is blown. My mind is blown. I can't believe this. This is really good. Okay. In Taee's Vegan Test Kitchen, it's a yes for me. Okay. Definitely we'll be popping these on the grill. You know, everybody gonna be like, "Well, what's that? What it taste like? Oh, that look like this gonna be nasty." And then as soon as they taste it, "Oh, that's good. Let me get some. I want some more. Oh, what's the recipe?" See, we already ready before the 4th of July or the summertime. This is good, y'all. My mind is blown. And there's no more confusion of what kind of ingredients is in them. Hot dog. Although I don't eat that anymore. It's a carrot. Legit, a carrot. That's good.